What's up, y'all? We back.
We back today. Back.
We tuning in today, to give y'all some burps today. I'm feeling good, I'm here today, just to show my appreciation to my fans, I love y'all
She is
so
a hot
much.
mess. Y'all already know she is.
So
I know she better not do nothing to me today. She said, my mom, I got something in store for you.
I don't think I'm going to do it for her today, y'all.
But we just highly blessed today. And we finna get the burp on. I don't know about no fart. Because I didn't fart it out, I think. Ho, ho. Ho, ho. Go.
You trying to make a beatbox without burps. You funny.
This special K gives some. I mean, this big. What's this big K cola? Give us some good burps.
Kyra talking about you.
Hey, Kyra.
Talking about Special K. That's her name, Mom.
Yeah, I know. I be forgetting. That's my grandbaby. Y'all know her Special K, the one that be burping.
She, I like her neck broke or something. Her mama can't burp. That's how to tidy.
Oh, Lord Jesus. Damn. Them motherfuckers sound like throw up burps. Just a hunk of spit in your throat. I'm finna see if I can do a real big one. That's not hitting.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh.
That was a manly one.
I thought maybe I could get one out like her. It's stuck up in there. It's stuck like Chuck. It's stuck like Chuck. Hey. Do it. Hey. I wish I knew how to do the burping on command. I can't do that. I done seen some people, they be, I don't know how they do it.
I'm breaking up sweat a little bit up there. Burps.
That motherfucker right there sound nasty as hell. Who like them nasty burps? She getting real nasty. Got me scared she gonna spit on me. You don't need to drink that if that make you sound like that. She need to go back to the other one. What was that one that you was drinking? Was that strawberry?
Yeah, strawberry.
Yeah, boy, she need to stick with the goddamn strawberry. Cause that right there, I'm scared she gonna throw up on me. The way it sounds. Ain't it coming out like she finna throw up? Oh shit! Damn. Did y'all hear that?
God damn! You talk about me. She talk about me. She just let one off.
Woo. That's the ex's burps. Shoot. Oh boy, that was a relief too.
Yeah. It is a relief. Make you feel better. And you burp.
They've been putting the age restriction on some of my videos. When Light Bright get in them, I don't know where they put an age restriction. I don't know what it is. Well, but it is what it is. I don't trust her.
Yeah, good.
I think she gonna burp on me.
Nah, go burp on me.
And she farted in my face last time. Y'all seen that.
I ain't even got no gas. I was gassy that day, y'all. I was gassy. I don't know what I ate.
That was that fried food.
Yeah, it was. That's why I was gassy.
That cabbage brings it out. The cabbage brings it out.
That's why I was farting crazy.
Do. Now we're gonna do a fart challenge, but we gotta eat a lot of cabbage. And wait till we yes. Oh Lord Jesus.
On the second pop.
Second one. There she go with that ASMR. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Fat man fell and broke his tail. Oh my God.
Why you funny today?
This weekend we putting up our Christmas tree. Still ain't put it up. But this Saturday, we pulling it out and putting it up.
Yeah.
I just ain't felt like it. I wanted a white tree. Didn't want to put up, but my tree looks pretty. And I'm going to show it to y'all when I finish.
Yeah, I
Yes,
want
it
the
does.
white tree too.
Hey, 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 hey. It's working its way up.
Why you burping?
That was a good one.
Yeah, and it stank too. We got a little smell too.
What does it smell like?
I don't know. What you eat? What you had cooked earlier?
Yeah, some sausage.
Let's see what it's.
Let's see who burps stank the most. We're gonna burp in each other's face.
Spit went down the wrong pipe.
You want that? Let me smell it.
What you mean? Let you smell? Well, I'm not trying to smell your burp. Then she gonna blow on my face.
Oh my Lord Jesus!
Don't worry about it. I got something to break.
Don't worry about us.
some more. Gotta drink some more.
I don't know. We might have some gas later. I don't know. Because I put onions in it. I made us some meatballs. We eat some meatballs and gravy and mashed potatoes with salad. Yes, we is. With some eggs. Yes, we is. I need a little greenery. Just doing the wiggle. Just doing the wiggle. Wiggle for wiggle.
Okay, I just dropped both of the cans. Well, I still got decent amount left.
I'm gonna throw up.
Yeah, this Coca-Cola make you feel like you gotta throw up.
Throw up. It's cola. See, Coca-Cola don't make you feel that way.
This ain't Coca-Cola, it's still.
It's Big K Cola. It's from Ruler Foods, which is Kroger. This one sitting right there. It's a nasty one. It's sitting on top of my stomach. This is goddamn pop. Shit is sitting there. Boy, I tell you.
My top is finna come out. That's why I had to stop. My top finna come out. Oh, yeah.
There go Gracie over there. We annoying her, too. She over. Did y'all hear a stump? That was a stump. Ooh.
God damn.
That was a stump from Gracie. She gonna stump again in a minute. That little noise that we was making. She's so used to peace and quietness because it be quiet. Oh, man. I think that is it. You know what? If I do another one, it's going to be a throw up.
That's how I feel.
It do.
Well, we go tune in to you guys later. Probably, you know, when the meatballs is done. Oh, it's a little bright. We too pale. God damn.
Too much light.
Yes, it is. Well, yes, we will tune in.
Whoa. Damn. That was down up in there. That was down deep.
I couldn't even talk. I feel like some food came up a little bit. But we will tune back a little later. The meatballs is done. Probably have some farts on the way. I don't know yet.
Please like. Please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please share. Please comment down below. Let me know, what you want, what you do, what you hide. That didn't sound right. We love y'all. We love y'all. And make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can see us as soon as we post. Later.